Today we are going to discuss about the our car, our dream car, okay, our two-wheeler, our dream two-wheeler. So suppose we have a diesel car, petrol car, diesel vehicle, two-wheeler is there. So how it will be as a design thinking based, we can discuss. Okay, how our vehicle will be, maybe two-wheeler or four-wheeler. We can discuss. Okay. So I have one vehicle. Imagine I have to take four-wheeler. Okay. So how it will be our four-wheeler? My point of view, I can add. We have four-wheeler in the sense four wheels. It should not be punctured. Not able to. We need air, but not in puncture position. So 24 to 365 days it will be running condition. It's my dream. Like this, you can say your how is your vehicle, your dream vehicle.
So in my point of view, my car is go everywhere, sir. Like off road, on road, it easily runs.
Good point.
So it should have less fuel consumption, have long durability.
Very good. Because nowadays we have a lot of price rate, so his point is very valid point. Okay.
To maintaining the cost.
Very good. Maintaining cost, because we are changing the oils and service cost is huge nowadays. Right.
So first I will tell what is electric vehicle. So an electric vehicle is powered by electric motors that is used by energy stored in the rechargeable batteries. The components that work together to produce energy management for the electric vehicles. In electric vehicles, we use lots of components like onboard charging. Onboard charging means we get the power from everywhere, and that is onboard charging. Then we use inverter. It is used to convert the DC power into AC power. Then we use the electric supply. It is used to convert the electrical energy into mechanical energy. Then we use a lot of components like BMS, like that.
In why we all of them buy electric vehicle means it main advantage is battery management system, because we can easily rechargeable battery. For example, we can manage the battery easily. For example, voltage, pressure, temperature. We set the temperature from particular temperature. When temperature will cross the particular temperature, it will automatically cool down the battery and it will prevent from the accident. That's why we all are got.
So as you asked that what is your dream car? Yes. So the main thing is electricity. Sir. So everyone said you said petrol and diesel we are using, and now mine is other than petrol. I want to use an electricity. From electricity, I want to run my car. So this is what an e-vehicle. So the main thing in e-vehicle is convenience. So as it has battery, so easily we can charge it according to the car. So by this we can reduce the cost of the petrol, and we don't want petrol or diesel. So we just want electricity. From electricity we can easily charge the car and we can easily run that car. So this is what
E-vehicle has low operating cost compared to internal engine vehicles. There some key points are fuel cost and maintaining the cost for e-vehicles.
Suppose we are run the petrol vehicle or diesel vehicle in the sense, it will be natural one. So it will be oil and natural gas. So suppose it will go to end one day. So we want to survey, it is very difficult. So in case of electricity in the sense, by
also using petrols, it will give pollution to the environment.
Very good, valid point. And also it is a green vehicle, or e-vehicle is also called as a green vehicle, so it is not going to the environment. And also safety wise also it is very valid one. So at your point, the service cost, suppose you have chosen any petrol car or diesel car or two-wheelers in the sense, the service cost around each 5,000 people want to spend more money for oil changing and all. But in case of EV vehicle, only the problem occurs in motor or maybe battery. Only two things is car one. So in case battery reason, we want to spend some money amount, our vehicle is getting ready, and also it is a green vehicle, and also road tax. What very important. The central government is announced the e-vehicle is not pay to the road tax and all. The tax is very minimum. They give the concession for motivating the e-vehicles. It's a very important one. And also instead of that normal light, we are using LED light. So comparable with the normal light and LED light, the more coverage area and the clarity is there for the driving purpose. You know that LED and olden things, right? Yes. You had any point? So comparably, the electric vehicle is advanced one. So all the countries are moved to EV vehicle. So it's a better one comparably the previous one, right? Thank you.
Thank you.